We are also going to use Ashtadhyayi website, ashtadhyayi.com. So we are looking into the Sutra Patha. So clicking on the Sutra Patha. Now, Mami, please tell the number, Sutra number.
6.1.101.
When I typed the 6.1.101, Akasavarne Dirgaha. What is the Sutra for the Dirga Sandhi, Savarna Dirga Sandhi? Akasavarne Dirgaha. Now I am going to click on this Sandhi, this Sutra. It is opened now. So please make a note, even though website is there, website is helping us. Instead of referring so many books simultaneously, we are using the website. Okay. And this Sutra, what is the first step we have to do? Sutra Chedaha, like a Padacheda. When you take the Bhagavad Gita shlokas, what we do? We do the Padacheda, word by word. Now, first step, Sutra Chedaha. Or you can also write Padachedaha. So, from the Akaha is the one word, Savarne is the one word, Dirgaha is the one word. Now, Akaha indicates Panchami Ekavachanam. And please don't look at the literal meaning of the Panchami Ekavachanam of this word. Here it is a code language is given to us. So don't go too much investigation. Oh, what will be the meaning of the Akaha in the fifth case? Just we have to take for our code language. So now Akaha Panchami Ekavachanam. Savarne. Savarne Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Dirgaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Now what does it mean? Akaha, which is given in the Panchami Vibhakti. What does it mean? What it indicates? Preceded by.
Preceded by.
Now, Saptami Ekavachanam Savarne. What does it mean? What it indicates? Saptami Vibhakti Savarne.
Followed by.
Followed by. Perfect. Dirgaha is given in the Pratama Ekavachanam. What does it mean?
Dirgaha will replace the word.
So that which is given in the Shashti Vibhakti will be replaced. Here comes Anuvrutti as a Achi. All of you please make a note. Anuvrutti. Anuvrutti means the word which is coming from the previous sutras is part of this particular sutra. This sutra 77 eco energy, this ach goes up to the sutra number 125. This sutra goes up to 125. Achi starting from the sutra number 6.1.77 and it goes up to 6.1.125. So in between any sutra you deal, you have to take the Achi. Now, so go back to the previous one. And apart from this Achi, there are some other two more sutras are walking here. They are called Adhikara Sutras. Is coming from 6177. Samhitayam. Samhitayam means in the Sandhi. And this sutra, Samhitayam, starting from 6.1.72, goes up to 158. Goes up to 158. Now look at Samhitayam Adhikara Sutram Samhitadhikaraha Pratamaha 6.1.157. Some sutra Veda is there to this book, to that book. One sutra number is different. So iti yavat. So please follow. I am looking at this Chaukamba book as well as the Ashtadhyayi website, Ashtadhyayi website, and this here there is one sutra is different. Okay, some Pata Veda is there. So Adhikara Sutra 6.1.157. So this also you have to take into consideration. Okay. Now, Ekaha Purva Parayoho Anuvrutti, which is also Adhikara Sutra. Ekaha Purva Parayoho 6.1.84. 6.1.84. What is the meaning of Ekaha Parayoho? Purva Parayoho? That means the Purva letter and Para letter. That means the first word, last letter, second word, first letter. Purva Parayoho, in the place of these two. Ekaha. Ekaha Adeshaha. Only one thing comes. Is it clear for you? So Purva Parayoho Ekaha. So hence we don't have the any specifically Shashti Vibhakti here, but without that we are dealing what comes in the first word last letter, that Panchami Vibhakti, that is the last, and the Saptami Vibhakti in the first letter. In the place of these two, Ekaha Adeshaha. What is that Ekaha? Ach is the Adeshaha. Achi is the Adeshaha. Why Achi? Which is coming as a Anuvrutti. Okay. Now look at the examples here. What is the full sutra? Complete sutra is Akaha Savarne Achi Purva Parayoho Ekaha Dirgaha. Akaha Savarne Achi Purva Parayoho Ekaha Dirgaha. So this means we need to decode something. What we have to decode? What is Akaha? We should know. What is Achi? We should know. And what is a Savarne? We should know. What is Akaha? So write Ak, the arrow mark, A, E, U, Ru, and Ru. This is Ak. So what is the next we have to write? What is the Ach? A, E, U, Ru, Ru, A, O, I, Au. This is the Ach or vowels. Aka Savarne Achpare Purva Parayoho Ekaha Dirgaha. What is the meaning of the Dirga? Dirga means the long letter. A is a Hraswa, A is a Dirga. When you say in Ak, when you written A, E, U, Ru, don't take simply A, E, U, Ru. A indicates A, E indicates E, U indicates U, Ru indicates Ru indicates only the Ru. Okay. Now, Sutrarthaha, the meaning of the full sutra. Ak Varnat, Parasya, Savarne, Achvarne Pare. Savarne, Achvarne Pare. Savarne means what? Please write one more point. Savarna. Savarna means a similar letter. Savarna means similar letter. So for A, what is the similar letter for the A? Hiromi-san? What is the Savarna for the A?
A or A.
What is the Savarna for the U?
U or
Correct. Yeah, if you say U, that is good enough. U. So Savarne, Achvarne Pare, Purva Parayoho. पूर्व परयोः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनम. This is a षष्ठी विभक्ति. पूर्व परयोः. If you look at the which is coming from the Anuvrutti 6184 पूर्व परयोः. So this is पूर्व परयोः षष्ठी विभक्ति द्विवचनम. एकः दीर्घः आदेशः. एकः दीर्घः आदेशः. The dirgha from the ach. आदेशः भवति. Now ak pratyahara a I u rulru ete varnaः आगच्छन्ति. That we have noted down. So एतेषां परस्य सवर्णे अचिपरे पूर्वपरयोः एकः सवर्णदीर्घः भवति. So from the first word last letter, second word first letter, in the place of both of them, a dirgha is going to walk in. For that, here author says, ayameva savarna dirgha sandhihi. Ayam eva savarna dirgha sandhihi. What is the meaning of ayam? Ayam means this. This alone, eva alone, this alone is called savarna dirgha sandhihi. Now look at the udaharanani. एतादृशानि. उदाहरणानि एतादृशानि. अकारः or आकारः plus अकारः or आकारः is equal to akara. So let us see a little bit more clearly what does it mean. This I am writing here. Or plus again so what is equal to dirgha. It can be a plus a is equal to a, or it can be a plus a, still it is a. It can be a plus a, still it is a. It can be a plus a is equal to a. Similarly, you replace e or e plus e or e because savarne same letters. So u, you go ahead with the similar letters. Okay, then he says example is given daitya plus ari. Daitya plus ari. In the daitya, what is the last letter in the daitya? Olga ji, what is the last letter in the daitya? In ari, what is the first letter? So what rules apply now here? What is the rule which is going to apply?
Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Savarna dirgha sandhi. So in the place of purva para, what is a purva? A. What is a para? A. So what comes in between both place? So what will be the final word?
Daityari.
Daityari. Daityari. Similarly, Ganga plus Ari. In the Ganga, A is there. In Ari, A is there. A plus A is equal to long A. Gangari. Another example, Hima plus Alaya. Himalaya. Ganga plus Alaya is equal to Gangalaya. Please observe how beautifully this author is providing the software preparer. Here is given A plus A. A plus A. First example, Daityari. Next example, A plus A. The third example, A plus A. Fourth example, A plus A. See, so nicely they have designed this website. Now look at the next one. Ikaraha oblique Ikaraha plus Ikaraha plus Ikaraha is equal to Ikaraha. Similar. iti plus idam. In iti, short e, idam short e. So both are savarna. So hence itidam. Muni plus ishaha. E plus e. Final word is e. So munisha. Nadi plus iyam. E plus e. Nadiyam. Shri plus ishaha. E plus e. Shrisha. Similarly, ukara, then rukara, akasavarne dirghaha is our topic today. Sutra number 6.1.101. And in akasavarne dirghaha, the anuvrittis are coming achi samhitayam eka purva parayoho. Eka purva parayoho and samhitayam is the adhikara sutras. First word last letter, second word first letter, both are replaced by the dirgha. So now our job is, for more practice, take the Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, try to find out how many savarna dirgha sandhis you can find out. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashchid dukkha bhaveet. Om shanti shanti shanti.